Today I will show you how to create a spreadsheet in Excel and format it, that is, edit it. I go to Excel. Here I will create respectively an empty table. Next, let's create a title for it. To do this, I'll highlight a few cells to combine them and create a title. With the right mouse button, I press this button. Connect and center accordingly. That's it. Next, you can write the title of our sign, yes, and paint this cell. To do this, click on this cell, choose the color accordingly. Here you can choose more colors and accordingly paint our cage. That's it. Next, we need to decide where our sign will end. Let's say we have such a plate and we need, accordingly, to make it completely with the edges, to paint the edges. The outer edges can be made thick. To do this, we do the thick outer edges. Also, for example, you can take any of these respectively sections and highlight, for example, the upper section. For example, here's the top, respectively, make / border thick. This is where you can actually edit, go into, you can even draw literally these, painting the edges, the grid. That is in this way. Next, we need to make, for example, some values here. To center the text, select the text, click here in the middle, and the text will be in the middle. I will paint this part in yellow and accordingly then fill in the table itself. You can paint it by colors, yes. For example, here we will have this light color. Accordingly, somewhere there will be the usual color of the pages. That's it. Well, fill in all our values here respectively. Thus, they can be extended. If they are numbers, they will follow your cursor. Also interesting, you can also connect the cells with a vertical projection, yes, in the same way. That is, we have an ordinary cell. Here you can also look at the shading here. You can add from the bottom of the top of the row. To do this, right-click, and here we will have to click on Add. Write, for example, a line at the bottom of the cell. That's the way it is. That's it. Well, that's all. Like with you, subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.